So first of all, you need to navigate to the official website, and it is powered by Video Copilot, and I will place the link in the description. You can directly navigate to that page. Once you're right inside, you need to scroll down until you see the download options. These are the plugins for the After Effects for Windows and for Mac. You can select according to your operating system. For now, in this tutorial, we are going to download for Windows, so I'm going to click on this download button. Once you do so, the Saber 1.0.40 version will be downloaded. You need to click on this, and once you're right inside, as you can see, this is the compressed file. You cannot directly run the exe file from the compressed file, so in order to do that, we need to uncompress this folder. So for that, you need to navigate to the download directory where you have downloaded the Saber plugin. You need to right click on this. You need to select WinRAR and click on open with WinRAR. So once you're right inside, make sure you select this folder with the two dots, and you need to click on extract to. And now you need to specify the path where you want to extract this file. I will click on desktop and I will click on OK. So right now you can see this is the Saber installer.exe file on my desktop. I will double click on this. You may need to grant all permissions if required, and once you're right inside, you need to click on you agree to the terms and conditions to use the Saber plugin, and once you do so, it will automatically detect the After Effects version. Right now I have 2023 version, so I will select my version and I will click on install. Once you do so, the Saber plugin will be successfully installed into your After Effects, and once you're done, you can click on finish. Once you are done installing the Saber plugin, you need to navigate to the search bar of your Windows, and you need to search for After Effects. Once you are done typing the After Effects, you will see the Adobe After Effects 2023. This is my version, so your version may vary, so you can click on this. Alright fellow, so once you're right inside the After Effects, you need to first of all create a new composition. For that, you can click on new composition, and for now I'm gonna go with the default settings, and I'm gonna click on OK. Once you're done, you need to navigate to the project in the left navigation of the After Effects. You can right click on this window, you can click on import, and you can click on file. For the demonstration purpose, I'm gonna import any random video so that I can apply the Saber plugin effects to that video. So I'm gonna select my video and I'm gonna click on import. Once the video has been successfully imported, I will click and drag it into my composition. And once you're done, you need to navigate to the window and make sure you select effects and presets. As you can see, there is no tick mark next to the effects and presets. As soon as I click on this, I can see the effects and presets panel in the right side of the After Effects. And if I go to the window again, I can see the effects and presets with the tick mark next to it. So it means that the effects and presets are successfully activated. Once you are done, you need to navigate to the effects and presets in the right side of the After Effects, and in the search bar you need to search for Saber. I can see the Video Copilot. This is the plugin Saber, and in order to apply this effects to your video, you need to click on this video and you need to drag it into your composition video. And once you're done, as you can see, this is the video that is present in my composition, and the Saber effect has been applied to it, and I can see the glow effect. So it means that the Saber plugin has been successfully installed into my After Effects, and now I can create energy beams and laser bars with the Saber plugin. So that's it. I hope you like this video and you found this tutorial very helpful. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.